Hi, my name is Bill Oliver, and I want to tell you about my experience with the super affiliate system. It's for me, it was the greatest thing, the greatest class I have found on the internet. I've spent a lot of money taking more theoretical courses, but I got so much out of this one. And what I got out of it was John gives you a product to promote straight off the bat. Okay, so in week one, you're going to take John's product. You're going to learn. You're going to take the web pages associated with it. You're going to stand it up, and that was amazing because I didn't have to, sit through the course because I didn't have a product and do nothing and just watch the endless videos. And that's one of the big things about this course is that you're going to learn hands-on. So he gave us that product to promote and then gave me the web pages and the targeting data and the ads to put up on Facebook so that I could literally watch how the campaign worked. Okay. I knew exactly, by the time I got to week 6 of the class, I knew how campaigns worked. I knew how, what the analytics meant, what the CTR meant, what impressions meant, what clicks meant, what CPC meant. So, I learned all of these things that really helped me to learn how to promote a product. So I didn't have to create everything, so I wasn't lost in how all these pieces come together because John gave you the pieces. You see how it goes together. You see how the campaign works. So when you're advertising on Facebook, when you're advertising on Google, or even YouTube, you get to learn the statistics on what is important and what is relevant about running the campaign. So I think the other really big thing for me in taking the course was the support. There's a tremendous amount of support inside of Super Affiliate System. For instance, in setting up the Facebook ad, for instance, I got stuck. And what happened was, I guess some of the screens changed as usual, and the policies changed. But inside the weekly meeting, they mentioned that. And then they went into detail about what changed, how it changed, and how you're going to, how to address it. And that got me through a lot of problems. And then I had another problem, and I found that problem inside of the help system. In fact, the help system, a lot of the questions which you might have probably been asked before. And if so, John records a video to tell you what the solution is and then walks you step by step. So that's incredible support. Incredible. John's team are just absolutely fantastic. I can't tell you how many times I've been in that weekly meeting where someone has a major technical problem, and if they couldn't solve it there, they set up a meeting with them. So this is a course of support. This is a course which you're not going to learn endless hours of theory. You're going to do practical application of creating a product or setting up a product automatically online. And what's great about that is that you're going to be given the offer, you're going to be given the ads, you're going to be given the targeting data. And I tell you, that just benefited me so much. I really can't tell you how much I've gotten out of this course because I'm still learning a lot from it. And I completed the course probably a while ago and seeing some pretty good results. So I'm telling you, this is the course to take where if you really want to get up and running, it's 6 weeks. start to finish. And really, in week 1, you're going to learn 90% of how to actually set up a web campaign. And even if you don't have a website, John will help you with that. John, is just really incredible, and his team is just phenomenal. I really can't say enough about this because I got so much out of this. So I hope this helps you make some sort of decision, and I wish you the best of luck. I hope you get on that road to success that this course will put you on. All right? So that's my review of the super affiliate system. Peace out.